Once the plane is taxiing to the airport terminal, get ready to connect to the airport Wi-Fi. If you are traveling with elderly or kids, help them with their connection too. Once you disembark from the plane and connected to the airport Wi-Fi, do log into the Visit Japan web. Go to the Preparation for Quarantine section and select the Quarantine Procedure Fast Track. This will bring you to the blue screen. While walking to the quarantine checkpoint, you will see the airport staff holding signs that say, "Open your Visit Japan web," and get ready to show the blue screen. At quarantine checkpoint, you just need to show your Visit Japan web blue screen to one of the airport staff. Here, the passengers will be direct and divided between passengers using the Visit Japan web with the blue screen and passengers without the blue screen or not using the Visit Japan web, so that the staff can assist and help those passengers who need help on the Visit Japan web apps or any submission of paper documents. After clearing the quarantine checkpoint, you will walk toward the immigration checkpoint. While queuing for your turn, get ready your passport, and on the Visit Japan web, go to the Preparation for Immigration Clearance section and select the Display QR code. This will bring you to the Immigration QR code with the yellow bar on top. Make sure the name appear is yours if you are travel with family members. When it's your turn, give your passport and hold up your phone with the QR code and scan it on a small scanner on the counter. After that, just wait for the immigration officer to clear your entry. Once you clear the immigration checkpoint, you will proceed to the baggage claim area to collect your baggage. The last checkpoint is the customs declaration. It is just beside the baggage claim area. Once you collected your baggage, the airport staff will guide you to the electronic declaration terminal station. When queuing, get ready your next QR code. On your phone, go to the Preparation for Customs Declaration section and select the Display QR code. Or, if your screen still remain on the previous immigration QR code screen, just select the Customs Declaration QR code below your name. It will then bring you to the Customs Declaration QR code, with the light blue bar on the top. Make sure the name appear is yours if you are travel with family members. At the station, follow what is shown on the screen and proceed accordingly, and scan your last QR code on the machine. Once you have registered on the station, you will then proceed to the electronic gate. When queuing for your turn, if you still wear a mask, you should take off first so that the electronic gate machine can scan your face and open the gate for you to pass through. After passing through the electronic gate, you will finally reach the arrival hall. And welcome to Japan. In summary, at the quarantine checkpoint 1, you need to show the Visit Japan web quarantine blue screen. At the immigration checkpoint 2, you need to show the immigration QR code. At the customs declaration checkpoint 3, you need to show the customs declaration QR code. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click and subscribe and comment below.